All right, guys, so there is an incredible opportunity right now for Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers to start making money literally from your phone. All right, it's called TikTok Shop, and I wanted to really quickly break it down. And obviously anybody can do this, but I literally just made money on my phone promoting little products. So I wanted to break it down and tell you how you can get started. Anybody can do this. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience at all. You don't need to know how to use TikTok. I will teach you how to do it. I have a link below. There's a 30-day trial for my program, right, where we teach you how to set up your shop and how to start making money on TikTok. So let me, first of all, you know what? Let me just show you guys some of the products. And you can get these products for free, by the way, too. When you click the link, we show you how to get these products for free. And actually I end up using a lot of them. This is one that I just made a video on yesterday. It's a car charger. So it's like a retractable one though. So you can charge your phone, and then when you're done with it, sorry, I don't usually stretch it out that long, but I was trying to show you. But yeah, you go like that, and then when you're done with it, it just goes right back into place. Another product that I make videos on is this little digital camera here. You don't even need to take photos of it. You literally just record, like, oh, this camera's so, like, you could just record a 10-second video. I mean, we have all the video ideas linked below as well, and basically templates of plug and play on your account and how to make money. But I wanted to show you guys so you can follow me on TikTok and see the videos that I'm making that are making me money, so you can get ideas as well. So let me, first of all, sync up my computer here and show you guys, because this is just absolutely incredible. And I really, I know so many of you guys watching this can make some really good money with it. Okay, so again, first of all, this is the program, Join My TikTok Shop Premium program. When you start your free trial, 30 days for free, you can try it out. And make sure you start free trial, and it says 000 for the first 30 days. That way you can try it out, no risk at all. Again, I used to do Uber, Lyft. I used to work minimum wage jobs. I bought this house 2 years ago now in Southern California because of TikTok and YouTube. So TikTok Shop is like the new way to make money. I already made over $1,000 in one single day. This was last month, but I'm making more money doing other things now on TikTok Shop. So if you want to join the link below, otherwise, let me just show you guys my current TikTok. I have like 5 TikTok pages. Actually, I have more, but that's for, I mainly promote these videos, these products on different pages. This is another product that you can promote. There are these little things here. But anyways, it's a little game. But yeah, if you go to my TikTok page, this is my page. I have over 1 million followers, by the way, so you'll actually learn from somebody who's, really successful on TikTok, not just some, fake guru or whatever. And then I have another TikTok page called the Rideshare Hub for this channel, and this page has almost 400,000, almost to 400,000. But anyways, you don't need a following at all. You can actually start on a brand new page, which is the best part about TikTok Shop, is that you don't need to have a big following. You don't need to, have millions of followers. All you need is 1,000 followers. And there's ways to, get that 1,000 followers and start promoting these products. So this is one that I just posted today that it's already getting me sales. Watch this. How many calories are in a crumble cookie? Let's find out. So I just picked. And by the way, follow me on TikTok at Dylan Himmerich too. And you'll see I post these videos every single day, so you'll get ideas from someone who's actually making money on it. But let's watch this. How many calories are in a crumble cookie? Let's find out. So I just picked these up and I was about to eat them all, but first I wanted to weigh them on my smart scale to see what's inside. This is the semi-sweet chocolate chunk cookie, and as you can see, there's 746 calories. There's total carbs of 102. There's 31 grams of fat. Sugars, 51 grams. Holy shit. 7.9 grams of protein. Not bad. Should I eat these all? Comment down below what I should measure next. So obviously I'm promoting the smart scale here, where if somebody buys this product from me, I get $14, which is insane. It costs $39.99 for them to buy. So I ended up just buying the product, but you can request it for free. Sometimes it takes a couple days, and you know me, when I get an idea, I want to do it like the next day. So I buy the product and then make the videos with it. I mean, you can get a lot, like I got a lot of products for free. They'll send you the free products. You can, again, when you click this, when you go through our program, you'll see it all. just sign up, click login, go to my programs, and you'll see it there. And then we also have a group chat too. So once you start, everybody in the group chat's gonna follow each other and boost our pages, and you'll start making, you know, tons of money that way, because people, it'll just kind of hack the algorithm and stuff. And but yeah, anyways, so that's one video I made. This is another one. So Father's Day is right around the corner, and now's the perfect time to get him a special gift. No, I don't talk to my dad, but if you do, there's a chance that he likes cars. So this is a 4-in-1 retractable charger, and for less than 15 bucks, your dad's gonna love it, okay? You can charge your phone like this, and once you're done using it, you just pull it like that, and it goes right back into place. This is what my car used to look like when I would charge my car, and I mean, come on, this thing is just completely better. And the best part is, this is on sale on TikTok Shop for less than 15 bucks, but hurry up because the sale's almost over. So obviously I'm, you know, very clearly promoting this product. I show the before and after, what my car used to look like with that cord, and now, you know, it looks really nice and clean. So I kind of demonstrated what the product looks like. This was another one. I actually did go out and took photos with this camera. So I kind of went above and beyond and took photos of my friends with them. Retro photos like this, then you gotta get one of these digital cameras. The only problem is that they're $50 on Amazon. But luckily I found the same exact one on the TikTok Shop for a fraction of the price. So I'm gonna leave a link below in the TikTok Shop, and hurry up because they keep selling out because it's almost summertime. So, you know, in this video, I show that on Amazon, it's $49.99, but on TikTok, it's a fraction of the price. I think on TikTok Shop, it's like 25 bucks. So it's a no-brainer to buy it on TikTok. It's like, but you get commission when somebody buys it. I think that one, the commission's like 3 or 4 bucks. This was another product. Oh, I don't want to play that because copyright on YouTube, but I made a video with this hair straightener, and I'm just doing my friend's hair with the hair straightener. You probably saw her, Stephanie. She's in some of my videos on this channel as well. But yeah, so this video I got sale. People saw that and they bought it. They clicked on the product. So basically on desktop, you can't see the link. It only works on the mobile app. That's why you can't see it. But usually there's like a little orange button here for the viewer to click on it and buy it. Sorry if I didn't, I should have probably said that at the beginning. And then any other product, this is, I'm making a funny video with the pimple patches here. They're like $3 for like 200 of them, so I thought that was pretty crazy. C4 Energy pre-workout. You can, this is actually crazy because there's a lot of name brand products on TikTok Shop too. So you can make money, you know, like selling C4 pre-workout. It's like people already buy C4 pre-workout. So if you make a video and somebody's like, oh, I need to get new C4 pre-workout, they'll buy it from your link and you make money with it that way. So it's like an easy sell. This is a this neck massager thing. I made a video with it. You know, you can get creative with it, or you can just make simple videos. Like I made a video with this like AC thing, mostly because it's almost summertime. So I was like, oh yeah, people are gonna want to buy these little air cooler things. So I like to get creative and make funny skits with it, but you can just make like little simple videos like this one I thought was really good, and you don't even need to show your face. You can just show how it works like this. Be like, oh, look what I just got. Boom, bada bing, looks really nice. And you can just demonstrate it and post the video. It could be like a 10-second clip and people can buy it. So anyways, if you want to learn how to set up your own shop and how to start making money, join the TikTok Shop Premium program, link below. And join the group chat too. And yeah, I think you guys will love it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye now.